Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are good today. This video, I am going to share how you can apply for a Canadian study permit online, step by step. Before starting, please watch my video, Study Visa Application Process to Canada 2022 for frequently asked questions regarding Canadian study visa application like estimated fees, things to consider, IELTS bands, advice, etc. I am sharing the link in the description. I have some requests. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future informative videos. Also, please comment on the topics you want to know about Canada. I want to tell you that I am not an immigration consultant or lawyer. All information is based on my personal practical experience or research. Please ensure you have the following things before starting the online process. Number 1. Acceptance letter. Acceptance letter of an offer from college or university that you will be attending in Canada. Number 2. Passport. Number 3. Financial support documents like GIC, bank statements, etc. Number 4. Digital photo. Number 5. Credit card for payment. Number 6. IELTS exam. Number 7. Prepare a statement of purpose stating your purpose for coming to Canada. I will share the template in the description I used for my study visa application. Number 8. Letter of explanation. If you have anything special to explain to the CIC officials. Number 9. An IRCC account. If you want me to create a video on that, please let me know in the comment section. I'm taking the example of Jack Smith, who is planning to come to Canada as an international student. I will share the link to this file in the description below. This is an IRCC account. I'll already log in into it. The Excel file that I'm using an example. So I put all the required details that we will be required to fill this application. So now after logging onto your IRCC account, you have to click on here, apply to come to Canada. So if you already have an application in file, you can put the personal reference code. But in this case, I am going to click on here because we have to create a new file. So I just click it here, then find out what you would like to do. Canada, study, how long are you planning to stay in Canada? It will be temporary, more than 6 months because it's a long-term program for 4 years. Select the code that matches the one of your for the passport. So it's Indian passport. So this is India. What is the current country or territory of residence? That is India. Do you have a family member who is a Canadian? So in this case, family member, if you see here, is either a spouse or common law partner, dependent children, and their dependent children. Date of birth is 2004 January 1st. Are you a lawful permanent resident of the US? So he's not. Have you been accepted to designated learning institute? Yes. In this example, we are saying University of Toronto. Like which country you lived for the medical purpose, you can click in here and then it will take you to the another link where you can find your country code. So for India, yes, you need you need the medical, so it is a designated countries. So we have to select yes here. And then have you had been a medical example? So in this example, he is not. If you have been, just say yes. And then what is your marital status? In this example, he is single, never married. What is your province of destination? He's coming to Toronto, so Ontario. So you may be eligible, so just click continue here. So study permit, right? So then click on the continue. Do you have valid work permit or study permit and need a visa to return to? No, because you don't have anything right now. Are you exchange student? If you are, but in this example is not. Is work an essential component of your studies? Say no.
Are you spouse or common law partner of certain full-time international student? In this example, no. If you have anything yes, just put it yes. Recipient of Commonwealth scholarship, full bursary, a participation in a Canadian and program for developing countries. In this example, no. Just click next. Are you accompanying a family member that has status in Canada or has recently approved to come in Canada? In this example, no. Have you ever committed or arrested? In this example, no. Do you want to submit an application for? In this example, no. Are you giving someone access to you? In this example, no, because he is doing it himself. If you have a representative, yes, you have to click on either of these, right? Or so that you can give an authorization to access your file. In the past 10 years, have you given any fingerprints? In this example, no. There are fees associated. Yes, I will be paying the fees. Are you able to make a digital copy of your documents with a scanner or camera? Yes. You already should have this. Will you be paying your application fees online? Yes, credit card should be there. Then this is all the information you can validate later, and then click continue. Now steps we have to follow. First we have to go to the account, then we have to save our application, then we have to upload our documents, and then we pay our fees. Then click continue. On this page we will see all the forms required and the documents that we have to upload. So this is a form IMM 1294. I will show you how to complete this form. Another form is family information form IMM 5645. That one also I will show in detail. The third one is schedule 1 IMM 5257. These three forms I will show you how to fill it. Other than that, you should have all the documents like letter of acceptance from your college or university, passport, proof of means of financial support, say bank statements, GIC confirmation, digital photo of you, and you can get all the details by here by clicking it here on the question mark, like what salary, proof of means of document, which documents are accepted. Similarly, passport requirement, right? Letter of acceptance requirement. You can put the letter of explanation and statement of purpose. So the fees for this you have to pay is $235. Just after this, once you upload all the documents, it will going to get you into a next page, and once you get to the next page, it will ask you for the payment. We'll fill now these three forms. So first I will start to fill form study permit application IMM 1294, because we have to upload these three forms. Alright, so this is very simple form to fill. All the information I already put in this Excel file. Right, full name, it will be family name, and given name Jack. Have you ever used any name? If you have, just say yes. In this example, no, he didn't. He's a male. Date of birth 2004 January 1st and 40101. City or place of birth he has in Delhi. Country India. Citizenship is Indian. Current country or territory of residence is India. Status citizen. Right. Previous countries or territories he has lived. No, he didn't. If you have, yes, put yes. Country or territory when we are applying is same as current country. Yes, he's applying from India. Current marital status single. Have you ever previously been married? No. Native language is Hindi. Communicate in English, yes. He can communicate in English. Have you taken a test? Yes, IELTS exam needs to be there, so we should put yes. Passport number, his passport number is this. So guys, just put all the information in Excel file. It will be very easy. So you can use this template for your information. That will really help you. Country or territory of issue is India. Issue date is this. 2021 January 1. Expiry date 2031 January 1. So for national entity document we put yes. We can put the same as passport as a document, and if you have another like Aadhaar card you can put it there. So in this case we are putting the same information as passport. UPS card, if you are you lawful permanent resident of US? No, he's not. So contact information, here the address will come of India. So street name, I will just put Lajpat Nagar, city Delhi, country India, 0111, right? Residential address, same as mailing address. Telephone number, you can give other in India's number. Type cellular. Country code you can put 91, and the number is you are going to use phone number. So basically this is the required number, and then email address you can put this caninlife@gmail.com. Details of intended study in Canada. So which school we have to go in? He's going at University of Toronto. Which study he's going to do? He's going to do bachelor, college, university, bachelor's degree. Which field of study he's going to do? He's doing in commerce and business. Complete address of school in Canada. So this is Ontario. It is Toronto. Address is this. DLI number. In this case he doesn't. Duration of expected study is this. 2022 September 1 2026 September 1. You will get all the information from offer letter or acceptance letter. So here you will put the study fees. So 40,000 you can put, and then funds available for my stay, you can say 10,000 for GIC. 10,000 for GIC he has got. My expenses will be paid by myself, right? Education, so we will put no. If they are only asking after 12th education. Employment, you have to give all the last 10 years if you have any employment. In this example it doesn't, so we are going to put today's date. Say for example 2022 August, right? And then put here 2022 August, and then put say none/not applicable, and then copy this thing, and then you can put here not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. And just put country. We have to fill this because it started, so we have to make sure we have to fill the India. So that's okay, right? We don't have any other experience. So in this one, most of the answers will be no. You must complete if you are 18 years old. Within the past 2 years, have you had family member tuberculosis? Question, no. If you have, just put yes. Physical or mental disorder, he doesn't have. Beyond validity of your status, if you have lived there, no. If there is yes, they will ask you for the explanation. If there is a refusal of work permit or any permit, you have to just put yes and then explain it over here why it is yes. And then just put no. In this case, no, he never been cancelled. Have you previously applied to enter or remain? In this case, no. Committed or been arrested? He's never been arrested. Did you serve in military? He never served in military. He's a member or party, political party connection? No. Witness or participate in ill treatment of prisoners? He didn't. So if anything is yes, you have to explain. Right? Do you consent to be contacted by CIC in the future? Just say yes. It's okay because you are giving them the consent, so it always should be yes. Right? And then signature, you have to print this form and then you have to sign it. So in there you can put today's date. This is August 13th, and then validate. So if there is any issue, it will tell you. Like in this case, it says this is question. So here, okay, the first question is here. So that's a very good thing about this form. We can validate. So make sure you have this thing ready and then press on validate button. So this is going to validation completed. It means all that fields are necessary fields are filled, and then click OK. There will be a barcode pages that is generated. It means it's validated. So as it is, you have to save it, right? And print this form and make sure to sign this form. That's the most people forget about it. And if you don't sign it and then you submit it, it will lead to delay and maybe your application will be returned. So make sure print this form and then sign it. 5th page, you can have to sign it here. Fill form this, schedule 1 form, IMM 5257B form. Indicate whether you are the principal applicant, right? Full name, family name you have to use here. Smith. Given name is Jack. Date of birth is 2004. January 1, date 1. UCI we don't have right now, so we can leave it here. So these are some questions. Do you serve in any military? He didn't. If you have, just put yes. And then the year time. Have you ever witnessed or participated in ill treatment? No, he didn't. Membership or association with organization like political or any kind of organization? No. Government positions, if you have been a government position, you can put yes and give the details. Previous travel, if you have traveled, you have to put yes. Like when you travel, like say for example for a trip for example there is a trip, so we have to put the details here. In cases he didn't, so put no. Then you just click on validate afterward. Validation completed successfully means your all information are entered, right? So then click OK. Now if you see, it's validated, right? And save this form and print it before uploading purpose. We'll fill this form, IMM 5645E, family information. For this form, we have to put type of application, it's student. Make sure everything in this information should be in English, all the names, and then we have to print it, we have to sign, and the second thing, we have to put it in native language also. So for example, the name here is Jack Smith. Besides that, we have to put in Hindi his name. Birth is going to be 2004 0101. Country of birth is India. Present address Lajpat Nagar, Delhi, India. And then you can put the postal code also. Present occupation, we can put applying for Canada study visa. Spouse, marital status for this person is single, so automatically this is not applicable. Now this one, mother and father information you have to put. So we have the information here. Mother is Lily Smith, father is Rob Smith. She is married, he is married. Lily Smith, date of birth 1951 1, 1950 1, country India, address is same because he's living with his parents. Present occupation, he's housewife. She a company? No. If they are a company, just put yes. Similarly here, Rob Smith, date of birth 1947. 1947 1, country of birth India. Here you will put the address. His occupation, he is a businessman. Will he company? No. So to sign it here, and the date you can put today's date. Similarly, children, you don't have any children. If there is no children, just sign it here and then put today's date. And then brother, sister, in this case there is no brother, sister. If there is any, we have to put all the information. Whether they are accompanying or not, we have to put all the information. Signature over here and then put it here today's date. So make sure to sign. So there are 3 signs on this form: 1, 2 and 3. Please make sure to print it and sign it before submitting online.
I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please join my Facebook page or Instagram, or you can email me. All links are given below. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.